They rediscover a curriculum. They have voice. You have voice as a teacher. You're not just covering or dispensing, you're engaging. It has been truly amazing to watch the excitement about choosing the image or changing the language, or even, is this really what I'm teaching? Now I understand it even better. I've heard so many wonderful comments, and I know you're seeing it with your clients.
I absolutely love when I get the question, what are other schools doing? What are you seeing around the globe? And storyboarding was just an idea that I was able to get jazzed about right from the get-go. I absolutely love the idea. I'm a visual learner, right? So I love the idea of incorporating imagery. I love the concept of streamlining. And most of all, because I often am the person that's working with schools and seeing how overwhelmed teachers are with the entire curriculum writing process. I think streamlining and storyboarding, they go together. They're a perfect match. But I really have loved seeing how this has kind of transpired with schools. I have used this with probably 40, 50 of my schools now at this point. Really just starting to get them excited about the idea and start to build into those foundations. And I'm excited to see where it heads.